Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing usufructs and leases. For those who are unaware, I look at a usufruct, it's basically a right of usage of land in Thailand, real estate specifically, and it can be created in such a way that it can be a lifetime usage of that land. I look at this much akin to what's called a life estate in the common law tradition, or specifically the American common law tradition, of where it's basically, a right to use that land, that real estate, for the whole of one's lifetime, and then it reverts to someone else at the time of death. Kind of similar to how the usufruct operates in practice. We all know, generally speaking, what leases are. As we've noted in other videos on this channel, Thai law has restrictions with respect to the duration of a Thai lease. Generally speaking, 30 years is going to be the outside at which you're going to be able to have a lease here in the Kingdom of Thailand, which begs the question posed by this video, which is better, quote unquote, usufructs or leases? And it depends on your circumstances. It depends on what level of comfort you have with either lease or usufruct. It also may depend on the local land office and some circumstances associated with how they, there's sort of local policies on recording and recordation of things like leases and usufructs, notwithstanding the fact there are laws that apply. Officers at land offices here in Thailand do have some wide discretion with respect to making decisions on the ground. So again, when deciding between a usufruct, there are a number of factors at play, but at the end of the day, it really is very much going to be circumstantially dependent on the underlying facts in a given case.